Here's a very cool and simple way to start generating some additional side income just by giving some information on your exact profession. Check this out. Just head over to respondent.io. Now, Respondent is a B2B and B2C research participant recruiting platform. Go ahead and click on participants at the top. And once you're on this page, you can get paid to share your knowledge and experience based on your particular job. They're looking for information on all sorts of different professions like software developers, marketers, executives, sales support, business owners, and enterprise software users, just to name a few. Here's how this works. Step number one, all you do is create and verify your profile. Step number two, you get matched with the right research studies based on your profession. Step number three, you apply to those projects so that you can actually get the right fit and answer those questions. And step number four, once you participate successfully in these research studies, you will get paid through PayPal. And to get started, all you have to do is come back to the top of the page and click on sign up and get started earning with Respondent. So as you can see, lots of different ways to start generating income 100% online. I mean, this is just information that you're giving researchers about your particular profession. But if you want to 10x that income, do it even faster, create leverage. If you want to find out how I generate 5 figures 100% online every single day just from the comfort of my home, I never have to leave my house to do this, go ahead and follow me on my profile, and right on my bio you'll see a little link. Click on that link, get the training, and I'll show you how I do it step by step. See you there.